Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of Commerce (MS) app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bank of Commerce (MS) is a mobile banking app designed to help customers manage everyday banking tasks from their smartphone. The app typically allows users to view account balances, review recent transactions, transfer funds between accounts, pay bills, deposit checks using the mobile check deposit camera, and locate branches and ATMs. It supports secure login options such as PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition where the device permits, and includes account alerts and push notifications for low balance, deposits, or suspicious activity. The app is available on both iOS and Android and focuses on delivering core retail banking features for regional customers. The app's main features include quick balance checks, mobile check deposit, internal and external transfers, scheduled bill payments, and real-time account alerts. Navigation is usually structured around an account's dashboard, a transactions view, a payments/transfers hub, and settings for security and notifications. Many users rely on the mobile deposit and transfer functions for day-to-day convenience, while branch/ATM locators help customers find physical service options when needed. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of mobile deposits, instant balance visibility, and the security measures, biometrics and encryption, that protect account access. For customers who bank primarily with Bank of Commerce (MS), the app reduces branch visits and speeds up routine tasks like transfers and bill payments. Customer support integration, including secure messaging or quick contact options, is often cited as useful when issues arise. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users may find the app's interface basic compared with large national banks or dedicated fintech apps. Advanced features such as multi-bank aggregation, detailed budgeting tools, or highly customizable alerts may be limited or absent. Occasional login or syncing issues can occur, usually tied to app updates or device compatibility. In addition, certain transactions, large deposits, specific transfers, may still require a visit to a branch, and fee schedules for expedited services depend on your account type. In summary, the Bank of Commerce (MS) app may be worth using if you are a regional customer who values straightforward mobile access to core banking functions, mobile deposit, transfers, balance monitoring, and secure login, without needing advanced personal finance tooling. However, if you require sophisticated budgeting features, multi-bank aggregation, or the most cutting-edge fintech integrations, it may not fully replace those specialized services for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.